Hello everyone, welcome to Rainbow Videos. Today we will see together 3 features for collaboration. First of all, we'll have a look at bubbles. How to create a bubble, what to do with a bubble, how to organize your activities and options. Then we will focus on conferences, how to start a conference and also the functionalities you may use during a conference. And last, we will grasp channels. What are channels? How can you use channels for your communication and your company? And of course, how to create a channel. Remember that all these functionalities are available with your web browser, but also with your Windows, Mac, iOS and Android applications. Alright, let's get started. To start, we're going to explore all the functionalities of the feature Bubble. A rainbow bubble is a workspace designed to meet the needs of real-time collaboration between rainbow users. To create a bubble, go to the tab in the upper banner of your screen and click on Create. Our project is about the redesign of our company website. So I'm going to call it Website Redesign and add a description of this bubble because we're going to use this bubble for all the communication about this project. So I'm typing meetings for the redesign of the company website project. And then I'll add an avatar by searching for an image in my files on my computer. I resize the picture and select Next. So now it's time to invite participants. Louise, Anna, as she is also working on this project, Francois. Oh, I can't find Baptiste. So I'm going to search for him in the search bar, right here. Here he is! Now I can add him. And I will also invite Anna Bear because she is a consultant who works with us on this project. Oh, I can't find her. So I'm using her email address and she will receive an invitation to join the bubble in an email. And we create the bubble. The bubble page is being displayed. Here is its title, description, and its avatar. You may modify this information by clicking on this icon. Let's write a message and send it to my collaborators. Hello, everyone. Oh, look, Louise is writing. You may add an emoji to your text message. Send a GIF to boost your conversation. You may even send a vocal message. This is really convenient when you don't have time to type your text. Oh, Anna has shared a document with us. I'll look at it later. Okay, let's have a look at the right side of your screen. You first have a link to share. So this link to be shared with your colleagues so they can join your bubble with or without a Rainbow account. Click once to generate the link. Then continue and click a second time to copy it. I'll send it to Pascal so he can join us in the bubble. You may add up to 300 participants overall. About participants, you may notice that there are members and a small green cross indicates whether they have accepted my invitation to join the bubble or not. Oh look, Anna Bear. Do you remember her? I had invited her with her email address as I couldn't find her in the search bar. Maybe she has no Rainbow account yet, so she is in this bubble as a guest. She only needs to type her name to join the conversation. I'm under the organizer role. This means that I enjoy all the rights for managing this bubble. We're going to regularly communicate on this project with weekly meetings. Yet I won't be available next week, so I'm going to promote one of the participants to the organizer role so they can have the meeting even without me. I'll go on Louise to select Promote to Organizer role, then Promote. And now Louise has the same rights as me, so she will organize meetings and invite new members. That's so convenient. Let's look at another rainbow feature, the AudioVideo Conference. A conference with up to 30 participants is always launched from a bubble. As we have created our bubble for the website redesign project, it's time to start a conference. Yet, to be able to start a conference, you must be the organizer. In this bubble, I'm the only organizer, so I'm the only one who may start a conference. If I had promoted Louise to the organizer role, like I did before, she could have started the conference as well. So now click on Start a Conference. The conference has been launched, so all the bubble members have received a notification allowing them to join this conference in a simple click. Here is the conference page. I can mute my microphone, add my webcam. Let's do this so my collaborators will see me. I can also share my screen by clicking here. Look, many people have already joined the conference and they have turned their camera on. That's great! Here you can see the video gallery where you choose which video you want to display by clicking on this icon. If I click on Anna, then her camera is displayed right here. So you may regularly change the video display, and you can also simultaneously show up to 5 videos on your screen. If you have more participants who have turned their video on, you may choose which ones to display, like this. Louise mentioned a backward schedule for the project. I'm going to ask her to share it from her screen and to explain it to the rest of the team. Here it is! Now that you have seen all the functionalities on the main part of your screen, let's go to the right side of your screen. Right here, you may notice that when I speak, the active speaker indicates that I am speaking. Whereas if Quentin is speaking, then you will read Quentin is speaking. Below you find the link to be shared for getting access to the conference as we did before with Pascal. You may add new participants and mute everybody's microphone. This functionality is really useful when you perceive a background noise in your conference and you don't know from whom this sound is coming. Below the organizers, there are 2 categories: the attendees and the non-attendees. The attendees are members of my bubble who are participating to the conference. The non-attendees are members of my bubble who are not participating or not yet participating to the conference. We may hang up with one single attendee while keeping the conference on. If I click here and I goes from attendee to non-attendee status, I made her leave the conference, yet she's still a member of the bubble and the conference is still running. Quentin is here with me. I can also mute the microphone of one or many attendees with this icon. If I click on this button, hang up, I end the conference and all its participants are automatically disconnected. Let's hang up. Now you have the choice. You can delete this conference so the bubble will disappear, or you may choose archive to store its content somewhere, or we can keep it for later. As we're going to have weekly meetings, as I said earlier, I will keep this conversation to restart the conference later on and keep all its content in our bubble. And now you notice that the conference attendees have returned to being members. Third feature, the channels. You can find their tab in the upper banner of your screen, right here. Okay, so here you can see my company, Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise, but there is nothing below because I haven't subscribed to any channel yet. So I'm going to search for a channel by typing here on the right side of your screen the name of the channel. I know there is a channel called Tips and Tricks. Yeah, for effective rainbow usage right here. So I can find this channel. And you see its title, a short description, an avatar, and also there are 239 people following this channel, which was created by Coach Matteo under the global category. We'll have a look at categories later on. And below that, you see plenty of posts from different publishers. But there is a mention here. This post contains images. Subscribe to visualize them. Okay, so we don't have access to all the content. If I want to see everything, I need to click on follow. As soon as I've clicked on follow, all the content is displayed. Pictures, videos, text, everything is available for me to enjoy. This is quite nice. Okay, plenty of information about tips and tricks for effective usage of Rainbow. Okay, but what about the other channels? Because I knew about this one. And what about all the others that I've never heard of? We can browse and explore which channels are out there. If I click here on the right side of my screen, discover new channels, then I see that channels are actually categorized, organized under categories like global, design, innovation, social media, science, culture, business, high-tech, marketing, and travel. Let's say I'm interested in marketing. So here you have the channels under the marketing category. And this one looks pretty popular. 509 people following this channel. Let's have a look. Okay, this channel is called Team Dimension Data for QBK Sponsorship. And it was created by Pernigotti Paola from the marketing category. You know, of course, we were browsing this specific category. Once again, I can only see part of the information posted by publishers. So I want to know everything about it, so I click on follow. And therefore, you see all the pictures, videos, all the content is then available to me to enjoy. This is very nice. Really, I think I'm going to create a channel. So let's see how it works. If I want to create a channel, I can go on the right side of my screen and click here, create an information channel. Okay. And in Alcatel, we have this running team that I'm part of, and I'd like to create a channel to talk about all the information related to this running team. So I'm going to select the category social media, and then to give a name to this channel, Alcatel Running Team in Strasbourg. Okay, and then I will choose an avatar to personalize the channel. So I can drop a picture if I like, but I can also browse the library. And the library is from Pixabay. So if I type running, let's see what we can find. Okay, plenty of pictures, pretty nice. And I'm going to click on this one. I resize the picture like I want it to be, exactly like this. Now I'm happy and I click on use this avatar. Okay, and I can also add a short descriptions of this channel, and I have one ready here. All right, just like this. This channel gathers information about running for Alcatel Strasbourg employees, check the training schedules and dates for the upcoming races. And then everything's ready, so I click on next. Now I'm asked about the audience of my channel. Okay, who is my channel for? It can be to members of my company only people working in Alcatel, or to all Rainbow users, which means members of my company plus all the other companies. And I'm going to click to my company only. And then you need to select the confidentiality. So you have the choice between 3 options: open channel, private channel, and restricted channel. The open channel, where any member of your company can view the channel and subscribe. Or a private channel, then you need an invitation. And the last one is a bit different. Restricted channel, it means that I'm going to choose the people, I'm going to choose the members, and they will be forced to be subscribed to my channel. So that can be really useful when you are communicating about a project and you want certain people to be aware, to be informed about it, so you can automatically subscribe them. But, my channel is on a running team, so it's a bit a private group, and I'm going to select a private channel. Okay, everything's ready. Next. Now I can invite people. So I'm inviting Quentin, sorry. And then I'm also inviting Louise here, and I'm inviting Anna as well, and Baptiste too, because I know they might be interested into my channel. And then I click on create. Okay, so here you see that there is already one person connected to subscribed to my channel, and this is me, because once I create a channel, I will be automatically subscribed to it, because of course I want to know what's happening on my channel. And then you see its title, the short description, the avatar created by me under the social media category. Okay, nice. Let's write our first post. Click on new post, and I'm going to talk about winter training here. And I will make it a bit nicer. For instance, I can bold words, important information. I can also build the date of the next race and what you need to bring to participate. And maybe change the location of the training. And then I want also to add pictures. Okay, so I can upload pictures from my computer or from my Rainbow sharing. And I'm going to upload this picture, attach, and then another one, this picture, and then I'm going to click on preview on the right side, like here. Okay, so you see on the post, the text, the 2 pictures are, and this picture is not so relevant because I'm talking about winter training, and this dog is running. This is more like summer or spring. I can eliminate this picture by clicking on the cross. Very simple. And then I click on publish. Okay, so my post has been published, and I can still modify it. If I click here, I can modify the post and even remove it. That's very handy. Okay, but I'm talking about Canicross. Maybe not everyone knows about Canicross, so I'm going to add more information. I'm going to add a video to explain what is Canicross. Like this, and Canicross is the important information here. I'm going to add a video, a YouTube video, but I need a URL for that. And paste, apply, and here you see the video has been added. And you can again, remove it if you need it, but I want to keep it. So I publish, and the post with the video is displayed. All right, and now you can also manage the members of your channel. If you click here, you modify and you manage members of this channel. So I've invited people and I am the owner, And I can also give rights. For instance, if I want Louise to publish, to be a publisher and post information on the channel, I promote her to publisher role. And then I can do the same for Anna and promote her to publisher role. So now the three of us can publish posts on the channel. All right. Okay, so this is my channel. And if I go back to the home page of channels, I click on it and refresh, I will have my post from Alcatel Running Team, but I'm going to see also all the other posts, tips and tricks, and team dimension data. So here is the place where you have all the posts from all the channels together. It's very convenient to stay informed about everything that's happening and all the channels that you are interested in. And then you can also organize the display of the channels. So on the right side of your screen, you can see under My Channels, you have a short list of the channels that I have, and then you click here and you can filter your channels. If I click on Public, of course, my channel is going to disappear because remember, my channel was a private channel. So we only have the two channels I have found before. And then I will click on Company, so only my Alcatel channels is displayed, and my channels only, of course, my channel remains. But I click on All because I don't have so many channels. And now let's say that I am no longer interested into being informed about team dimension data for Quebeca sponsorship. So I'm simply clicking here, unfollow, and the channel disappears. And it also disappears from the home page of my channel. So I no longer see the post from this channel, Team Dimension. And then I want also to remove tips and tricks for effective rainbow usage because I know it pretty well. So I unfollow it. And if I refresh, it's the same. It disappears. There is only my channel left. And if I want to delete my channel, I simply click here and I delete my channel. Like this. And here it is. Okay, today we've seen 3 features for collaboration. We dived into bubbles and all their functionalities before presenting conferences, and finally, the channels feature. Do you need more information? Visit our Help Center. A collection of articles and updates are waiting for you. Enjoy Rainbow!